In this video,
we will learn how to open and use a parachute in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to open and use a parachute, firstly make sure that you have a parachute in your inventory. So by clicking on the tab, you will find the weapon wheel. At the bottom right side of the weapon wheel, there is a parachute option, which should be present if you have a parachute in you. And if you do not have a parachute, you can just head into your nearest ammunition. So by opening up your map, you can find the nearest ammunition by this gun icon. After heading inside the ammunition, just go directly to the register or the person that's behind the register. Then click on browse weapons. After that, at the top left hand side, you will find the parachute. So just purchase it by clicking on enter. After you purchase it, the parachute should be in your inventory and you can find it at the bottom right hand side of your weapon wheel. Now in order to use the parachute, so jumping from any high place should have the parachute be equipped as soon as you are mid-air, and after that is done, you can just click on left mouse button, which will allow you to open up the parachute and you can safely deploy to the ground. So this is how you can easily open and use a parachute in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.